we're gonna review this
giant
grave digger from Monster Jam.
is mega size, and it can go on
everywhere. It don't show anything about it.
big
Tires. Big tires and a big I don't know.
is for
Class.
how big is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, the way is that a really big? Like
20.
Size
It's big like that.
more than 2 hands.
More than 2 hands.
Very big.
Very big.
does it have a remote control?
Yes. It's green. Also, this is to do something to turn on, and this is maybe something sharp in there. I see something inside. You can see something inside there.
And the spring. Good job.
Yeah. It jumps.
This. Boing, squeeze it like this.
It has a good suspension system.
And don't forget how it charges.
How to charge.
One of the most popular Monster Jam trucks is now available as a remote control vehicle. The Monster Jam official Mega Grave Digger all-terrain remote control monster truck with lights is a 1:6 scale replica of the real thing and can go just about anywhere. With working headlights and a gravesite-themed body, this truck is sure to please fans of all ages. Here's a look at some of the pros and cons of this Monster Jam official Mega Monster truck. For the pros: 1. Authentic grave digger styling. 2. Working headlights. 3. 1/6 scale replica. 4. All-terrain capabilities. 5. Remote control included. About the cons: 1. Batteries not included for the remote control. 2. Not suitable for children under 3 years old. Overall, the Monster Jam official Mega Grave Digger all-terrain remote control monster truck with lights is a great toy for any fan of the Monster Jam series. It's a detailed replica of the real truck and can go just about anywhere. This is a great toy for any fan of Monster Jam trucks.
Big and giant. Wow. It's probably in the monster truck. Oh, the monster truck.
What are they for? Why do we need it?
Because we need to turn it to open it. There's a lot. There's a lot of them. A lot of monster truck. One of figures of monster truck. And but the grave digger is the biggest of every monster truck. Chamoisen. Chamois. Chamois.
Alto Loco.
Atoloco. Atoloco.
And Blue Thunder.
Nintendo. Atoloco.
Monster Month. Alien Invasion. Monster Jam.
Monster Jam.
Zombie.
Zombie. Doing something pointy like a pen.
And what can you do with the pen? You press it.
You press it. Nothing.
No bang.
Give me Barry. Give me
2AA.
2AA.
And then you plug it in.
For charging.
For charging.